Another beginners friendly, super easy landscape, simple shapes. You connect them with branches, and there's a bit of a reflection. It's you might call an abstract watercolor, but literally it takes about 5 to 10 minutes tops. So big brushes, couple of colors. At the moment, I'm just making sure you capture the light. Doesn't matter how simple it is, you're always trying to capture the light. Level of reflection. You could play with different colors. I'll show you how to attempt this one. There's no drawing needed. Just start, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, this is an extremely simple abstract painting of trees and some reflection. So there's no drawing needed. So I'm just playing with colors. It's just a mop brush. The first layer is yellow. I'm roughly shaping it as I go. So lemon yellow. So I'm going to next layer is yellow ochre. Just leaving the tip of the trees. A little bit of pyrrole red. So I'm just painting a little bit of gradient. This is a quick warm-up sketch, but you could play this technique around to get more things. So I'm using cobalt blue, a little bit of red. Gives a nice cool gray. And also keep in mind the paper is slightly slanted. Not so much, but it tends to use the gravity to your advantage. I'm putting a lot of gray and the last final bottom layer. Okay, so I'm switching to a smaller brush, which is gray. Some random branches. This is a cluster of trees. Super simple. And just cleaning the brush, I'm going to just come in a little more shadow, lots of blues, a little bit of yellow, so greens. It could be whatever colors. I'm just using whatever I fancy at this stage. So just pushing the pigment. So a little bit of reflection just to show that that's an abstract painting. Just gives you freedom to move around the brush and some colors. I think I'm gonna just quickly dry and see how it looks, and if needed I will do some touch-up, but this is supposed to be a warm-up exercise. And I'm gonna just add a couple more grass, but I think I'm not gonna do too much. It's a little more dark. I felt that it's not dark enough. Some brush strokes, and I think I will leave it at that.
I hope you enjoyed this painting. Very easy. Could be a landscape or a portrait in this case. A little bit of branches, a little bit of abstraction, and these are really good example to try out if you're very new to watercolor. Gives you good effect. The trees could be organic, doesn't need a lot of details, and pick your colors. Pick warm greens, and I'm sure it will look alright. So I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, help me out, subscribe. Till next time, keep watercoloring, and bye.